Hey guys, you might find yourself in the same situation as I am. This is a 2010 GTi and there's a service outside of the service now message that you see here. There's actually a service message that's coming up, which is really annoying. When you turn on your lights, you get a we can actually manage to reset here. You get this message: check the right front side light, and that drove me really crazy. There's this little light actually up here that's constantly on, and obviously there seems to be something wrong. So I turned on the lights, and I'm gonna take a look. You'll see for yourself what's going on. So the HID light was actually dead, so I replaced it. But what I didn't notice right away is the fact that there's also a very little, it's going to be hard to show, but a very little accent light that's right underneath here. And as it turns out, the accent light on my right side is actually dead. It's not functioning. And that's the reason why you're getting this message. So I know it sounds kind of silly, but I didn't quite see that right away. So as you actually lean over, so obviously the hood is popped right now, you're going to remove this this little cover here, just twist it counterclockwise by about a quarter of a turn, and then in there, I'm going to try to get closer in here. You see this little tab here, that little thingy right here? I'm lifting with my finger, it's kind of hard to see. That actually removes the bulb that is wedged in there, and that is your accent light, and this is the culprit in this case. It's a little blue bulb here, see, it's very tiny, it's like a peanut size, and this is what you need to replace. So it's very straightforward. You replace that bulb, you pop it back in, and you'll be back in business. I don't have the bulb with me. I'm gonna go get it right now and replace it and see what happens, and normally everything should be good. So I hope this is gonna help a few people out there that are struggling with the same message. Just gonna place it back, run to the store, and hopefully everything will be good. Thanks.